Let me show you how to pull clean industrial projects data from any website, whether you use Excel or build APIs with Minexa.ai. I am navigating to the industrialinfo.com page that already shows the full list of results. Then, open the extension by clicking the icon at the top of the browser. With the extension open, hit I'm on the right page, and Minexa.ai analyzes the layout to detect the list of industrial projects data. Navigation locked in. No page will be skipped on any run, ensuring complete and consistent data extraction. At this point, select List Only or enable detail pages so Minexa.ai scrapes each results detail page. Default is Continue. Advanced if a form needs submitting or a filter clicking before results appear. Minexa.ai identified and highlighted the right section. Click Create Scraper and it learns the page quickly. Every field ready. Minexa.ai even found data hidden inside the page you would never have seen, like project names, dates, and status updates. For those building pipelines, click API Request and copy Python code with no LLM processing per page. Click Complete Configuration to finalize and save the scraper. The navigation button is highlighted, adjust if needed, or continue as is. One click away, optionally connect Google Sheets, or set a schedule before hitting Complete Setup. Click Run. The job is live and extracting. Every row here came from the right part of the page. Ads, sidebars, and surrounding content were automatically excluded throughout the entire extraction, keeping the dataset focused on the right data. You can see industrial project names, locations, start dates, statuses, and power sector details all neatly organized. Download the data, open it in Excel, and every field is already in the right column. That is the full process. A few minutes of setup, clean data from any website, for anyone. Developers take it further with the API and pay a fraction of LLM costs at scale.